Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's ItsAbeeyola. Today I'll be doing this video on how you can transform any basic or cheap conditioner and make it that ultimate superfood for massive hair growth. Alright, so I'm starting off with my simple plain Sally's conditioner, and I've got some powerful 5 herbs I'll be adding in. Starting off with my aloe vera powder. Aloe vera is great for hair growth. It stimulates hair growth, boosts hair growth. It adds moisture to your hair. It nourishes your hair. It soothes and it heals your scalp. Ashwagandha powder is great for hormone-related hair loss. It's got great antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties as well. Our slippery elm gives slip to any kind of conditioner. It detangles the hair. It also improves strength of the hair, and it treats dry, dull, damaged strands. Amal powder is great for hair growth. It's a natural hair conditioner. It improves the hair pigmentation. It strengthens the hair. It gives shine, and it thickens the hair as well. This one, Nettle leaf powder, is a great massive hair growth ingredients that you need to add in. It's rich in silica, it's got sulfur, and it helps with hair regrowth. It helps the hair loss, and it also adds shine to the hair. The great thing about this is you can make this ahead, store it in your freezer, and pop it out when you're ready to use it. I put this in my hair for about an hour, and then I rinsed it off, and I followed up with a leave-in conditioner. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you'll be giving this a try, and let me know your experience with it. All right, till my next video. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. Also, give me a like so I know that you like this content. Bye.